again, just completed the full head. Okay. Plenty of colour on there. Obviously with a block it's quite hard to get it near to the hairline, so it is a little bit on the scalp, but whether it'll take or not I don't know because it just keeps lifting it off. Just checking the instructions on this one because obviously all the bleaches are different, and it says leave on for 20 to 50 minutes, okay? So I'm going to leave on for 20 and then we're going to come back and have a look at it, okay? Next we're going to do the same on the next block, but we're going to use 1289, just 1 second. Sorry, 1289 and 12% Weller. If you remember the high lift blondes, yeah, these are ones where you get the most lift. But again, this block has had colour on, so we're not quite sure what the lift we'll get. We are going to use, it's the high lifts, okay. Sorry if the light's in the way. Let's just see if we can move that out. Okay, not quite. Too much sunlight. Get there. Okay, that's better. So we're going to use the 1289, okay? So remember, if they've got a blue, yeah, at the top, it generally means that they've got some sort of blue in, or if it's got a red one, yeah, tells you it's more goldy. Okay, so you just need to make sure which one. So these all get mixed with 12% when you want the highest lift, okay? So this is the one we're going to use, and that's the tube we're going to use, okay? Remember, it's a ratio of 1 to 2, okay? 1 of the product and 2 of the developer. Okay, so I'm just going to mix that now and apply. Okay. And then we're going to see what the results are and we're going to time the other one. Okay, so I'll get cracking and then come back to you in a minute. Thank you.